All right, guys, what is up? I am out at my cabin, and I just wanted to show you what I picked up this week. I picked up an RB26 240 SX S14. So here it is. I had to drive to Fond du Lac, Wisconsin to pick this up. It's got this Cognition wing, which they do not make anymore. So it's pretty desirable. It's carbon fiber and it's super light, super light. He said that he extended the tips so that the flames don't burn the bumper. So that's pretty badass. And here is the also desirable RB26. Just looking beautiful. He did a great job on this piping in here, and the whole build is just really, really clean. Look at all this engine bay room here. It looks amazing. You really got to see it in person for it to do it justice. But unfortunately, it does not have all matching wheels. These are a 3-piece wheel, and they're Wed Sport Cerberus. And they're pretty badass wheels, so I really wish that I would have gotten the rears, but I'm just gonna have to sell those. So let's do a startup. After checking out this mint interior, door panel, perfect condition. The dash looks like it's wrapped in suede, and it's actually a pretty good wrap job on that dash with those contours. So he's got all the gauges in here work. So let's hop in. And it's got the hydro and the AccuSump as well. So let's start it up. It says peak boost at 33 PSI. And that was an accident. So she's pretty loud. That noise you hear is the turbo, and once it heats up to a 160, you won't be able to hear that anymore. I'm gonna back us out so that we can see her out in the daylight. So we're gonna have to pull this rod out. So this rod, I think I might have hit it on something if I didn't take it out. So we're gonna pull that out. We'll leave the clamps open because we'll probably open that back up. And we will pull the car out. And I think maybe I will just set the phone like this. Sticker removal, but this car, sticker removal and wheels, that's on my list of things to do. Let's see what this RB looks like in the sun. It looks beautiful. I'll give you guys a look underneath the car as well. You can see how great everything is in this car. Can't get very far underneath it because it's pretty low. Not too low. I'm going to lower it on the coils probably. Let's see. So we'll be making more videos of this car coming very soon. Once the salt is off the roads and the snow is melted, then I can take it out and show you what this thing is really made of. But this is just a little teaser video to show you how badass this car really is. So please subscribe and stay tuned for more to come on the RB26 S14.